Imagine if you could put the power of a samurai sword in your pocket. We use the same feathered Damascus steel that is used to create the sharpest samurai swords in the world. This means Omni stays up to 5 times sharper than normal steel blade knives. Pretty great, right? Omni, with you for a lifetime.
Introducing Micro, the world's smallest, lightest, and most minimal key organizer ever. With Micro, you have quick and easy access to any key. Assembly is a breeze. No batteries required. Stay organized and keep your keys neat. Micro is smaller and lighter than a quarter. But also, with Micro's built-in tools, you can open bottles, use as a flathead tool, cut open boxes, slice through annoying packaging, or pry shit open. But wait, there's more. It's also a fucking bottle opener. You can bring it anywhere, in your pocket, on a keychain, with a car fob, or organize multiple sets of keys. It's time to minimize your everyday carry. Micro, the world's smallest minimalist key organizer ever.
One of the most common issues a cyclist faces is fixing a puncture roadside. Adventur features a tyre lever with a steel core and glass reinforced nylon outer, meaning it will never snap and won't damage your alloy rims. At the other end, Adventur has a 15mm box head spanner for undoing and tightening nuts. Another handy feature is the 1/4" magnetic tool bit slot. This allows the Adventur to perform a huge variety of tasks. It comes with 8 of the most widely used cycle tool bits and a magnetic tool bit extender. The tool itself acts as a handle, providing great leverage. The Adventur houses 2 of the tool bits inside its structure. It also features a spoke key for tightening and loosening your spokes. We have designed the tool pouch for Adventur to hold everything together in one small compact bundle. The pouch is made from leather and recycled bicycle inner tubes. The pouch is designed so it can be hung under your saddle from your saddle rails. Adventur is investment cast from stainless steel and then hardened, making it extremely strong and durable. It is then CNC'd for a precision finish. We would like to offer you the opportunity to pre-order Adventur. If we raise more than £8,000, then we can take Adventur into production. you.